Holding tank while I work and fix the leak. Oh well, shit happens, eh? Need to brace the bottom like I've braced the sides. The glass is pushing out in the center of the tank, breaking the silicone seal. Glass is flexing away from the bottom and causing a leak there. I'm going to need to brace it across the back and across here at the front, same way I've braced the corners. So there's silicone both on the inside and the outside to give it a bit of extra strength. It is just sucky. Checking the back for leaks. Nothing. 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 Looking good. Bit of a new layout, move the plants around a bit so it's not all crowded on one side. Move the other smaller plants into the light and the bigger plants further back from the light. Should get better growth like that. Also reposition both lights, or all three lights actually. And just let it cycle for a while and then we'll see how it goes from there. Sand still has to compact a little bit. We'll see how it looks tomorrow morning. It's Saturday afternoon now. Sunday morning, leak's been fixed, tank's nice and clean. I'm going to give it a few more hours to circulate and then I'm going to put the fish back in. Well, there's it, all the fish back in.
It had swung.
Everybody's looking happy and healthy and no more leaks.
That its very existence remained a secret.
Move stuff around a little bit, put the lights in different places.
But now, in the last few years of the 20th century,
Filled up my CO2 as well. Add a little suspended shelf in for the electrics to sit on. And everything's
the
back.
citizens of Earth would get an extra Christmas present this year as their planet orbited through the tail of the comet. Scientists predicted a light show of stellar proportions, something